Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most highly anticipated and mysterious supercars ever to wear the Corvette badge. The 2026 Chevrolet Corvette Zora. For decades, Zora Arkus Duntov, the father of the Corvette, dreamed of a mid-engine Corvette that could compete on the world stage. In 2026, that vision reaches its most extreme realization yet. The Corvette Zora isn't just a step up, it's a total redefinition of what an American supercar can be. Blending electrification, raw V8 power, and cutting-edge aerodynamics, the Zora is gunning not just for Ferraris and Lamborghinis, but for the very concept of performance itself. The moment you lay eyes on the 2026 Zora, you know it's different. It builds on the aggressive foundation of the C8 platform but pushes the design into hypercar territory. At the front, you're greeted by a low, wide, sculpted nose with massive intake ducts that feed the radiators and cooling systems. The LED headlamps are thinner, angrier, and framed by vertical running lights that look like slashes across the face. The front splitter is carbon fiber, active, and designed to increase downforce dynamically depending on speed and angle down. The sides, the Zora has wide, muscular haunches and sculpted air channels that feed directly into the side-mounted intercoolers and rear cooling units. The roofline is low and sleek, with a removable carbon fiber top panel that pays homage to Corvette's Targa tradition. A new set of forged lightweight wheels, likely 20-inch up front and 21 in the rear, are wrapped in ultra-sticky Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2R tires. Hidden beneath are carbon ceramic brakes with massive calipers and advanced cooling ducts integrated into the suspension geometry. Every vent, every crease, every surface on the Zora exists for aerodynamic or thermal performance. Nothing is wasted. As you move to the back, things only get more dramatic. A massive carbon fiber rear diffuser dominates the lower section of the car, while a center exit quad titanium exhaust barks at a hybridized V8 soundtrack. Above it, a hydraulically active wing adjusts in real time to provide drag reduction or high-speed stability depending on throttle and brake input. Thin, blade-style taillights echo the standard C8 signature, but with sharper edges and more depth. The entire rear of the car seems designed for speed and spectacle, a reminder that this isn't just a fast Corvette. It's something else entirely. Inside, the Zora maintains the C8's fighter jet-inspired cabin layout but turns everything up to 11. High-end materials dominate the space. Carbon fiber, Alcantara, perforated leather, and anodized aluminum wrap every surface. The squared-off steering wheel is familiar but fitted with additional controls for performance settings, energy management, and aerodynamic tuning. The digital instrument cluster has new hybrid-specific graphics, displaying torque vectoring, battery levels, and electric motor engagement in real time. The infotainment system is still GM's excellent 11-inch touchscreen running their latest software suite with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates. However, the Zora adds a heads-up display with track telemetry, lap timers, and force indicators. Seating remains a tight, focused two-seater experience with bolstered race-style seats that hold you in place under extreme lateral loads. Storage is minimal, as expected, but buyers aren't coming to this car for practicality, they're coming for performance. Speaking of which, this is where the Zora truly separates itself. Under the rear engine cover sits a twin-turbocharged 5.5-liter flat-plane crank V8, an evolution of the one used in the Z06, paired with a front-mounted electric motor driving the front wheels. Combined, this hybrid all-wheel drive system produces an astonishing 1,000 horsepower and over 950 lb-ft of torque. The V8 sends its power to the rear through an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, while the front motor delivers instant torque to pull the car out of corners with brutal efficiency. The result? A 0 to 60 time estimated in the 1.9 to 2.1 second range, quarter-mile times deep into the 9 south, at a top speed north of 220 miles per hour. But the Zora isn't just about raw numbers. Thanks to active suspension, torque vectoring, and a front motor that can assist in corner entry, the car is shockingly agile and precise. Magnetic Ride 4.0, adaptive aero, and brake-by-wire tech allow the Zora to behave like a track car when needed and a grand tourer when desired. There are multiple drive modes: Tour, Sport, Track, and a customizable Zora mode that lets drivers tailor everything from throttle mapping to wing angle. Range from the electric system is modest, about 30 miles of EV-only range in urban settings, but the hybrid system is primarily performance-focused. Still, it gives the Zora an edge in efficiency during light cruising or city use, and it enables silent startup and departure if desired. In many ways, it's similar in spirit to what we've seen in the Ferrari SF90 or McLaren Artura, but with an American V8 twist that feels uniquely Corvette. Safety and tech are state-of-the-art. GM's latest suite of driver assistance features is present, though subdued for such a focused machine. You'll find forward collision warning, blind spot monitoring, and a surround view camera system to help with maneuvering such an aggressive shape in tight quarters. There's also OnStar Wi-Fi connectivity and performance data recording for those who want to analyze their laps on track days. Pricing for the 2026 Corvette Zora is expected to start north of $180,000, potentially reaching close to $200,000 fully equipped. Yes, that's a lot of money, but it's also a fraction of what similarly performing hypercars from Europe cost. And that's always been the Corvette's secret weapon: world-class performance. Without the millionaire price tag, the 2026 Corvette Zora is more than just a halo car. It's the ultimate expression of what the Corvette can be when freed from tradition. It takes the soul of American muscle and infuses it with the precision of Formula One level engineering and hybrid technology. It's fast, it's loud, it's smart. And it's a fitting tribute to the man who envisioned this moment more than 60 years ago. Thanks for watching the full breakdown of the 2026 Corvette Zora. Let us know in the comments, do you think the Zora is the greatest Corvette ever made? Would you take it over a Ferrari SF90 or a Porsche 918? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss our next deep dive review. See you in the next one. Stay fast, stay curious. Yes, that's a lot of money, but it's also a fraction of what similarly performing hypercars from Europe cost. And that's always been the Corvette's secret weapon: world-class performance. Without the millionaire price tag, the 2026 Corvette Zora is more than just a halo car. It's the ultimate expression of what the Corvette can be when freed from tradition. It takes the soul of American muscle and infuses it with the precision of Formula One level engineering and hybrid technology. It's fast, it's loud, it's smart. And it's a fitting tribute to the man who envisioned this moment more than 60 years ago. Thanks for watching the full breakdown of the 2026 Corvette Zora. Let us know in the comments, do you think the Zora is the greatest Corvette ever made? Would you take it over a Ferrari SF90 or a Porsche 918? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss our next deep dive review. See you in the next one. Stay fast, stay curious.